In this video, I will talk you about a step-by-step beginner's guide to creating your first cryptocurrency token. Interesting? Investing in crypto is fun, but how much fun is it to create your own coin? Creating your own cryptocurrency token is a lot more work than investing in a coin. Nowadays, you can buy crypto via exchanges with a few clicks of a button, but creating a crypto coin requires more action and knowledge. There are several ways to create a crypto coin. You can either code it yourself or develop a coin without using coding. Creating a crypto coin can be difficult, especially the first time. Discover how you can create your first cryptocurrency token in different ways. We will take you through the whole process step by step. Why would you create a cryptocurrency token? Anyone can create a cryptocurrency token. You can even create one just for fun. But successfully launching a cryptocurrency token is more challenging and requires a lot of time and energy. Creating the token is one thing, but maintaining and growing it is another. So you can create a token out of curiosity, but also for more serious purposes, such as wanting a token for your own community or company, or you may simply have a good idea for a meme coin. Just make sure your activities are not considered an initial coin offering before you violate federal securities laws in the United States. Good legal research or advice from someone with the right knowledge is therefore not a luxury. How to create a cryptocurrency token? There are several ways to create a cryptocurrency token. Each requires some technical knowledge, but the difficulty differs per method. Below, we explain four different ways to create your token the way you want. Create your own cryptocurrency token through coding. To create your own cryptocurrency token, you can create a new blockchain by writing your own code. To complete this method, you will need a lot of technical knowledge. However, if you have mastered these techniques, this method gives you the most freedom. As a blockchain developer, you can code your token as you like, without any restrictions. Creating your own blockchain for your own token is the best option, especially if you are a token creator with big innovative plans. It is important to choose a good blockchain operating protocol, which is also called the consensus mechanism. The most well-known consensus mechanisms are proof of work and proof of stake. In the name of sustainability and speed, POS is becoming increasingly popular. If you want to create a cryptocurrency token in this way, you should investigate the legal aspects carefully so that you are not confronted with unpleasant surprises later. Modify the code of an exciting blockchain. Another way to create your own token is to use the source code of another blockchain. Most codes for blockchains are open source, which means that they may be viewed and downloaded by anyone. You can source codes of various blockchains on the GitHub platform. Once you have found the right source code, you can customize it so that your token is unique. Here you can consider, for example, mining or burning the token. Technical technical knowledge is also important for this method, and it is a good idea to check whether everything is legally correct. Create a new cryptocurrency on an exciting blockchain. Another option is to create a new cryptocurrency token without first creating or modifying a blockchain. Blockchains such as the Ethereum blockchain are designed to host cryptocurrencies from different developers. This is the simplest way of creating a cryptocurrency token. You first need to choose the right blockchain that suits your vision. Ethereum and the BNB Smart Chain are popular examples of this, which you will also discover later in this article. Next, you can customize your token so that it meets all your needs. Having your token associated with a reliable blockchain platform can have a positive effect on the value and reliability of your token, but nothing is guaranteed. Crypto token development services. If you do not want to spend a lot of time and energy creating a cryptocurrency, you can use crypto token development services. These services are offered by companies that have the knowledge and expertise to take the work out of your hands. They will take care of all aspects related to the creation of a token, which can save you a lot of time. Besides creating the token, they can also create a white paper for you and arrange an ICO. The disadvantage of this method is that the service does cost money. Creating tokens on different blockchains. When you decide to create a token, you will first have to prepare a few things. For example, on which blockchain are you going to create the coin? Each blockchain has its own advantages and disadvantages. Therefore, it is wise to have a good overview of these features. To best prepare you for creating your own token, we will take a closer look at several blockchains in this article so you can make a good start. How to create an ERC20 token. ERC20 tokens are tokens created on the Ethereum blockchain, where ERC is an abbreviation for Ethereum Request for Commons. For many crypto projects, the Ethereum blockchain is interesting, as proven by its number 2 position on the overall crypto ranking. You can create your ERC20 token using the following 5 steps. Token specifications. The first step is related to the specification of the token. Here you can determine several things that will make your token unique, such as token specifications to consider while creating a new crypto coin. The name of the token, the acronym of the token, the number of tokens in circulation, and how many digits can be put behind the decimal point. Second step is to codification of the contract. To create an ERC20 token, you need to code in a programming language that the Ethereum protocol can understand. It is not necessary to have in-depth technical knowledge, as you can use other programs to do this. In these programs, you only need to replace your specific features with the ones you provided in the token specification. Third, testing the token on a testnet. The third step is about testing. When you are testing your own your new token, the system checks whether there are any defects. The testnet is important for this. To be able to test your token, you must use a good wallet. You can use well-known software wallets such as MyEtherWallet and the MetaMask wallet. So guys, we'll end this interesting video about how to create your own token. Goodbye.